How to create some very unusual gradient designs in Affinity Photo using noise filter as well as gradients, and also use Deform. Create a layer, go to a layer and new layer, go to the gradient tool and quickly fill it with a gradient, something like this, basic gradient. Then go to filters and noise and add noise. I'm using Gaussian, monochromatic, and I'm using 100% intensity for the add noise. Click apply. Go to filters and then go to distort and deform. Add some pins or handles. And I'm going to go for similarity. I've added 4 or 5 across this document. Just position them anywhere. And then drag and distort the design. And you can see as you distort it, you've got these lovely sort of swirls appearing all over the place. At the moment, it doesn't look particularly very much. Apply. What you can do, go to filters and repeat. You can see then you've got this lovely stretching as it goes across there. Go to filters and repeat again. Repeat. Repeat. And you can see as you do that, you end up with these lovely designs. You can then, of course, go to filters and go to distort and deform and add some additional ones. You don't have to use the ones that you've just been using earlier. And again, go to similarity, distort it again. Maybe drag it out there. And apply. And again, what you can do, go to filters and repeat deform, and you can distort it again and again. Of course, you'll get to a certain point where you end up distorting it in such a way that it doesn't look so good. But I think at some point you can call it quits. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.